But what we've been working on primarily is one species that's common and easy to find on the snow in the winter. The species name is Diomysa mendoti. It was described from streams around Lake Mendoti over near the campus of the University of Wisconsin many, many decades ago, and re-described by Dean. And the biology of the immatures and the biology of the adult was really pretty much unknown. And when encountered in the wintertime, we often see them, on the snow, walking around, mating, and flying at air temperatures which are well below freezing. And most insects don't do this. Pretty atypical, pretty unheard of for summer emerging insects to be flying at temperatures below about 9 degrees centigrade, so about 48 or so Fahrenheit. Yet in the wintertime, they're able to walk around on the snow at often temperatures down to -7 or -8 centigrade, so up down to about 12 degrees Fahrenheit, pretty active. And they're pretty easy to collect. We talked a little bit earlier about ways in which you can collect them. And we collect them on the snow, but we also, in some instances, can use emergence traps in the winter and collect them as they metamorphose from the aquatic stages to the adult stages. They're captured in the tent, and we can go in and collect them from the tent. So we know when they have emerged, and what we're really trying to understand is a little bit more about their reproductive biology, because for the species to be effective reproducing, they have to secure the mate, they have to mate, and then the female has to fly back to the stream and oviposit her eggs. So how do they actually do this?